Amen. So let's sing that third verse. I heard a mention He is built for me in glory, and I heard about the seas of gold beyond the crystal sea, about the angels singing and the old redemption story.